Electronic voting machine using FPGA. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Nowadays, conducting elections is very difficult and it is a very large process. To prevent election tampering, electronic voting machines are essential in a democratic society. Voting was formerly conducted using ballot sheets in an antiquated manner, which leaves plenty of room for fraud. Voting machines also have a difficult task to conduct voting. People believe that machines also tamper with different parties. In this work, we have examined a digital electronic voting system that was created with the Xilinx tools VHDL coding. There is an enable switch available to initiate the voting process. In the electoral process, 4 candidates, button 1, party 1, button 2, party 2, button 3, party 3, and button 4, party 4, are taken into consideration. V-switch is a 2-bit signal that voters use to select a contestant to support. Voting will not take place until enable is activated, as indicated by the invalid signal that appears if a voter attempts to cast a ballot without enable engaged. In order to preserve integrity throughout the entire process, electronic voting machines are essential for elections at the college, panchayat, state, national, and international levels. Introduction: in a democracy, fair and transparent elections are the backbone of a trustworthy government. Electronic voting machines, EVMs, have brought significant changes to the voting process by making it faster, more accurate, and easier to use. These machines are user-friendly, support different languages, and provide quick results, improving accessibility for a wide range of voters. Some systems use advanced technology like field programmable gate arrays, FPGAs, which allow flexibility in design and secure handling of the voting process. Newer systems also offer features such as decentralized control, where voters can choose to vote directly or through a proxy, while still maintaining privacy. Innovative methods like linkable ring signatures help protect voter identity while ensuring vote integrity. Secure online voting platforms have also emerged, using cryptographic databases to store votes safely and prevent hacking or tampering. Cloud storage further strengthens the process by protecting vote data and identifying any threats or unauthorized access. Some studies have even looked into machine learning techniques to count or analyze voting data more efficiently. For example, algorithms like decision trees and random forests have been used to handle related data in other areas like student employment tracking, showing promise for accurate and fast data analysis in voting systems too. Other researchers have focused on using blockchain technology for secure, transparent, and tamper-proof online voting, which can also be useful in broader e-governance efforts. These technologies work together to ensure elections are valid, confidential, and resistant to fraud. Overall, the future of voting looks promising with these modern digital systems making the process safer, faster, and more reliable for everyone. Conclusion: electronic voting machines, EVMs, play a crucial role in ensuring fair and secure elections, whether at the college, local, state, national, or even international level. In this system, voters choose among 4 candidates, and the votes for each candidate are recorded in separate registers. The total votes are then counted and securely stored for future review. This method helps maintain the accuracy and transparency of the election process. By using EVMs, elections can be conducted smoothly, reducing the chances of fraud or errors. The system ensures that every vote is properly recorded and that results can be verified later if needed, making the entire process more trustworthy and reliable. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.